Welcome to IQS Quiz. Can you guess all 20 famous characters? It starts easy, but the last ones are really tricky. Count your score, comment it below, and let's get started. Can you guess this character? Look closely. You definitely know this one. The answer is Mickey Mouse. A classic start. Can you guess this character? Here's another easy one. The answer is SpongeBob SquarePants. Can you guess this character? Think carefully before you answer. The answer is Tom. Nice one if you got it right. Can you guess this character? This famous cat always has company. The answer is Jerry. Oops, that's the clever little mouse. Can you guess this character? The answer is Pikachu. Pikachu is always a fan favorite. Can you guess this character? This blue robot cat is loved by millions. The answer is Doraemon. Easy, right? Can you guess this character? This naughty kid is everywhere. The answer is Shin-chan. Did you guess it? Can you guess this character? It's getting a little harder now. The answer is Elsa. Let it go, let it go. Can you guess this character? This little blue alien is super cute. The answer is Stitch. Awesome if you knew it. Can you guess this character? Yellow, funny, and always causing trouble. The answer is Minion. Can you guess this character? Grab your magic wand. The answer is Harry Potter. You're doing great. Can you guess this character? A spooky challenge is here. The answer is Wednesday Addams. Did she fool you? Can you guess this character? A cowboy who never gives up. The answer is Woody. There's a friend in you. Can you guess this character? Time for a kung fu master. The answer is Po. Skadoosh. Can you guess this character? Ready, set, race. The answer is Lightning McQueen. Ka-chow! Can you guess this character? This dragon is one of the coolest ever. The answer is Toothless. Nice guess. Can you guess this character? The king has arrived. The answer is Mufasa, a true legend. Can you guess this character? Now we're entering the hard level. The answer is Neja. Did you know this one? Can you guess this character? Only true anime fans might get this. The answer is Tanjiro Kamado. Incredible if you guessed it. Final challenge. This is the hardest one. Can you get it? The answer is Optimus Prime. Wow, that was so much fun, right? How many did you guess correctly? Comment below and share your score. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more exciting challenges, and check out the next video for even more food fun. Can't wait to see you there.